I'm meteorologist Amy Betwee of the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and this is an evening update of the multimedia weather briefing for the winter storm currently ongoing. Here is an overview of the headlines that we currently have out across the area. You can see we have a winter storm warning in effect for most of southeast South Dakota and portions of southwest Minnesota and northwest Iowa. We also have an ice warning that is in effect tonight for portions of southwest Minnesota, northwest Iowa, into northeast Nebraska. In the ice storm warning area, we're expecting accumulations of 1/4 to half an inch of icing this evening and tonight, as freezing rain mixed with sleet continues to expand and move up into the area. This area of icing also includes areas from Marshall, Minnesota, through Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and down to Bonham County and southeast South Dakota. Northwest of this line, we're expecting mostly snow, moderate to heavy at times, through tonight and also through Wednesday night. For winter headlines that are important with this storm, tonight we're expecting the sleet and freezing rain that's moving up through southeast South Dakota, northwest Iowa, and southwest Minnesota to change to snow or sleet late tonight. Northwest of there, we'll see heavy snow across portions of southeast South Dakota and southwest Minnesota. In addition, across the entire area, we will see blustery north winds continuing with gusts to 35 to 40 miles an hour. And then Wednesday, the precipitation should be mostly all snow across the entire area, with wind gusts of 30 to 35 miles per hour. Hazardous travel will continue across the entire area tonight and tomorrow through tomorrow night and into Thursday morning with this long duration storm. Here's a closer look at the additional ice accumulations that we're expecting through tonight across the area. We've already had significant icing across portions of southwest Minnesota into the Sioux Falls area and south of the Sioux Falls area. And we're expecting an additional 1/4 to half inch in that same corridor, with even greater than a half inch expected in portions of very southeast South Dakota, northeast Nebraska, northwest Iowa, and southwest Minnesota, where we have that ice storm in effect. And then northwest of this area of ice, you see we have no icing, where we're expecting all snow to fall tonight. After the precipitation turns to all snow, we're expecting snowfall totals through Thursday to be in the 5 to 7 inch range in the Sioux Falls vicinity. Down to Sioux City, we're expecting around 4 inches and 4 to 6 inches in northwest Iowa. But then as we get north and west of the Sioux Falls area, we're expecting additional accumulations to what already has fallen of 6 to 11 inches and maybe even up to a foot of snow in the Marshall area. The impacts with this storm, remember that this is a very dangerous storm and it will continue through Wednesday night and into Thursday morning across the area. Very limited visibility is expected in areas of heavy snow tonight through Wednesday and will create very hazardous or impossible travel conditions. In areas that have already seen icing and will be getting additional icing tonight, including in addition to the strong wind and the snow, we'll likely see some power interruptions. It's not a guarantee, but it is definitely a possibility. So something to prepare for is if you lose power, make sure you have enough food and water and emergency supplies on hand. Additionally, we will likely see more tree damage in the icing areas. If you would like additional information on this storm, make sure you tune to your local media or visit our website at weather.gov/Sioux Falls. You can also check the road conditions by calling 511 or visiting safetravelusa.com. Please send us any precipitation type and amount reports via Twitter at NWS Sioux Falls.